After a global rollout that began in April 2022, LG's next generation of high-end laptops, the Gram series, has been released in India. The new models build on the brand's history of exceptional portability for a wide range of consumers with a sleek ultra-light appearance and cutting-edge software and technology that make them easy to carry. 4 new models make up the LG Gram 2022 laptop lineup: the LG Gram 17, the LG Gram 16, the LG Gram 16 T90Q 2-in-1, and the LG Gram 14. Each laptop in the LG G series is equipped with an effective Intel Core CPU from the 12th generation. These laptops contain low-voltage LPDDR5 RAM and Gen4 NVMe SSDs, which boost performance by 22% compared to previous models. Long battery life on the Intel Evo platform, certified 2022 LG Gram, enables users to work or play well on the go. The great visual quality of LG's premium laptops is well known, and their most recent models support this. The most recent models offer a WQXGA 2560 by 1600 resolution IPS panel, a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and a 99% DCI-P3 color gamut. The excellent IPS panels from LG are now anti-glare, which lessens bothersome reflections and enhances vision in all lighting conditions. The LG Gram 2022 laptops feature LG Glance by Mirametrix, an AI-driven software program that enhances convenience and security. The screen is locked by LG Glance by Mirametrix when the user exits the laptop. The user's work is both informed and obscured when someone is looking over their shoulder. The mouse pointer and open window are transferred to the second screen when a second monitor is attached. The models for this year include Face Login for video conferencing and Full HD webcams. These devices' small ultra-lightweight appearance, which don't compromise on performance or durability, have preserved their essential characteristics. The MIL STD810G test may be successfully completed by each model, due to its high screen-to-body ratios and durability. All 2022 LG Gram products also come in eco-friendly packaging that can be used as a desk calendar and pencil holder after it has been opened. The new LG Gram 2-in-1 16-inch, on the other hand, has sketching and note-taking software pre-installed that is compatible with the LG Stylus Pen. The new Gram laptop convertibles are more effective and offer a more responsive and enjoyable writing and sketching experience, thanks to stylus compatibility and LG's AI-based user interface. The 16-inch portable display with a detachable cover, plus view for LG Gram, allows users to expand their digital workspace. The 16MQ70 has a 32 by 10 aspect ratio IPS screen for excellent multitasking, and it can be positioned either vertically or horizontally next to a laptop for a seamless appearance. The LG Gram 16 2022 starts at $1,653, the Gram 17 2022 starts at $1,778, and the Gram 14 2022 starts at $1,590, according to the LG India website. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you. If you have any questions, then you can write to me in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.